Welcome to the Aerpro install channel. My name is Jesse and today we'll be unboxing the FP9888K double DIN total installation kit, which is designed to suit various Volkswagen vehicles. This total installation kit includes all the parts you need when installing an aftermarket double DIN head unit to your vehicle. Before we begin, on the front of the box we have the QR code that will take us to the product page on the Aerpro website, where we can find out more information and check compatibility with vehicles. Now let's begin the unboxing. The FP9888 double DIN fascia plate with the metal brackets and screws included. If you take a look at the fascia, you will notice that we have a matte textured rim with a glossy inside that will blend in with most aftermarket head units. We have the CHV W3C steering wheel control interface. The steering wheel control interface connects between the car and the head unit ISO harness. Sometimes the head unit ISO harness is included with the aftermarket head unit. If not, you can purchase an Aerpro APP8 series or APP9 series head unit ISO harness to use in conjunction with this kit. More details can be found at aerpro.com. If you would like to know more about the steering wheel control interface, including how to properly connect the harness to your vehicle, check out our steering wheel control interface video. This is the APA66 antenna adapter with its clips. This converts a factory head unit antenna connection to a standard DIN plug for aftermarket head units. These can be used as a single, double separate, or double combined FACRA connector, depending on the head unit connection type. The APP7210 amplifier retention harness to suit Volkswagen vehicles. This ISO line converter serves as an amplified speaker converter, designed to retain amplified speakers in various Volkswagen vehicles when installing an aftermarket head unit. If your vehicle is not amplified, then it's not required. Just a note though, some amplified models require the amplifier trigger wire to be manually connected. The APUN IPL2 universal patch lead and its instruction manual. The universal patch lead plugs in between the head unit and the steering wheel control module. You may need to cut particular loops on the universal patch lead depending on the head unit brand you are using. This is used to translate the steering wheel control buttons between your steering wheel and head unit. Check out our universal patch lead how-to video and make sure you check out the included instructions for more information to get it working with your head unit. That's it for the unboxing of the FP9888K fascia kit. Hit the like button if you found this video helpful and subscribe for more videos. We recommend using an authorized Aerpro dealer that offers an installation service to install our products. Never cut or modify a harness, as this could damage the head unit and vehicle as well as void the warranty of the product.